Hi, this is Linda Rogers from Planning With and Reach. So we just had the initial call. We determined that we're a good fit for each other. The next step is for you to schedule the discovery meeting. This is what's going to happen at that meeting. It's a Zoom call, so we are on video. It's 30 minutes. There's no prep for you whatsoever. This is the agenda. First, we're going to go through each of your goals that you mentioned on the initial call. We're going to dive into the details and the assumptions. What I mean by that is, college is a perfect example. There's many people that have kids, they want to help them with college, but how do they define that? Do they want to help them with 2 years of tuition, 4 years, public school, private school? I can make these assumptions if you don't know or you want me to back into what you can afford. But if you've discussed it and you've got strong opinions about what you want, that's the time to tell me so that I can incorporate it into the plan and just make the plan much more meaningful for you. So we go through all of your goals, document that on the screen so you can see it. After that, I want to hear about your experience with investing. How did you react during the last stock market recession? So, 2008 or even March 2020, when the market was really moving, did you lose sleep at night? Did you sell everything and move to bonds, to cash? That helps me just gauge your risk tolerance, and I would say it's a better gauge than those online questionnaires that many firms have you fill out, right? Because you just don't know how you're going to react until it happens. So that is very helpful for me in building your investment portfolio. If you are married or doing the process with a partner, I will also ask how you communicate about financial decisions. So does one person take the lead? That's really common and that's fine. But we do ask that you both be part of the process, just because if something happens to the person taking the lead, we don't want the surviving partner to be in the dark and to be confused, not know what the strategy is. So we ask that once a year, we all get together and just stay on top of your financial picture. We ask, do you fight about money? Which I know is personal and you don't have to share. But again, if there's triggers that we can help with or anxieties where you're losing sleep and, really getting stressed about something, this is the time to tell me, just so I can try and help and incorporate that into the plan. That's pretty much it on my end. I'll finish out the meeting just by asking, is there anything else that you want me to know before I go ahead and build this plan? I'll remind you of the process, which is just that you will then upload your documents to the encrypted site, and I will review them, present the plan over Zoom again in about 2 to 4 weeks. And that is when the payment is due, and then you'll just reach out with any questions. So that is the discovery call. I do look forward to chatting with you if you decide to move forward, and reach out with any questions.